So this is an introduction into the Kodak Express e-commerce online ordering package that comes as part of the Kodak Express membership. An essential tool to increase your business, get you #1 on Google, drive business for customers that may not want to come down the high street at that particular time, order from their phone, order online, and rather than come to the store and then to come to pick up later. It's a brilliant tool that everyone should be using to maximize your business. What you've got here is the Kodak Express website page, so kodakpictures.co.uk. This is the controlled site from Tetanol and Kodak. What happens here is we advertise this site on various social media platforms and in store on point of sale. The customer would log on to Kodak Pictures, see this, and then they have a store locator here, find your nearest store. So for this test I'm going to put in here Bury, for instance. What we'll do is the store search will now find the closest stores to Bury, of which, if you're a Kodak Express, your store will come up once I've put in my postcode or my location. I click on the local store, and what will happen is it will take me in to the Bury store Kodak Express site. You'll see it looks exactly the same as our landing page, but on this site you can now order. The transaction will be directly with the Kodak Express Bury store, or the Kodak store Milton Keynes, or the Kodak store Dunstable. On here you have a choice of photo books, prints and posters, calendars, canvases and panels, clothing, photo gifts, and in-store services, which are customizable pages. Essentially, if I go in to order a photo gift, for instance, I would go to a mug. I select my mug type. I want a simple version mug. I then have a multitude of different designs where I can put text in an image, split image, full wrap image, whatever I want. Okay, so I'm just going to go for a standard mug at the moment. I say create now. Okay, and what the machine will now do is it'll ask me to find an image to put onto that mug from my mobile phone library, from my image library, from a memory card, from a CD, wherever. Okay, so remember, this is completely mobile acceptable. Okay, why don't we use that one? So just find an image here. Let's do the bear. So we're now uploading that image, and our fantastic preview will come up in 3D of the mug. So we now have an image here that we can rotate, look at, make sure we're happy with the composition. There's my bear on my mug that I saw at the zoo. There you go, you can just check it all, make sure you're happy with it. Play around with as much as you want. You have tools here so that you can adjust, rotate and crop if you want to. When you're happy, very simple process, I go to add to basket, and at this point I literally just log in, add to basket. I log into the account that I've previously set up with PayPal, and the retail store, your individual store, receives all the funds via PayPal for that gift. You'll be thinking to yourself, well, I haven't got a mug press, so how can I offer mugs? If you haven't got a mug press in store, the order goes to a fulfillment lab and comes back to your store within a few days. Customer then comes in, gets notification, picks up the product that they've already paid for and takes it away. While they're there, they may order more prints, more photos, more canvas prints, whatever you want to order. You can have this displayed in store for the staff to take customer through, so it becomes an interactive terminal for people to order photo gifting, and you can use it for a search engine, to advertise your business. You can customize the page, but there's a multitude of products on there. It's the #1 e-commerce platform for the Kodak Express stores to use, and it's there to drive the business. It's functional, branded, flexible, and should be used. Any products that you order, Tetanol will send you an invoice at the end of the month. So if the mug was sent away, came back to the store, you've been paid in full, the cost of the mug will be charged at the end of the month on your normal Tetanol account. So you don't end up running up big bills, you just pay your account in a normal way. Thank you.